Okay, so yeah, there is a few indices that usually used in agriculture: NDVI, NDRE, MSAVI, and also a reddish chlorophyll index. So basically, all indices are good, and they are used at different time. So basically, they serve in different purpose. At the beginning of the season, when the plants they just emerging, it's better to use some MSAVI index because there is a lot of open soil. So after the germination and at some part of the seeding, we probably should use MSAVI index. So this is a modified soil adjusted index. Because yeah, the plants are still young and they do not cover the whole surface of the field. So there is a lot of open soil, and this open soil it's actually saturates. So MSAVI it's very good at basically eliminating this effect and providing actually information where we could see if there is any problems or if some part of the fields they not emerging equally and so on. Once the plants are developing and they actually reaching other stages of development, we use NDVI. So this is the most commonly used index, and it provides good information throughout the season. But at some point of the season, and especially for tall crops like corn or sunflowers or sugarcane, which have like a dense canopy, and at some point when NDVI cannot distinguish between very healthy crops and healthy crops, we have NDRE coming in play. So basically, this is the index that should be used later and closer to the harvesting season because of the red edge, it could penetrate into the canopy of the plants, and it could pick up very slight differences in chlorophyll level and also in nutrients level. So each of the indices could be used at different time of the season and for different purposes. But yeah, we'll cover this more probably later on. But in essence, yeah, this is the difference between of these indexes. And here is some illustrations how they look like. So we have MSAVI, soil adjusted index, and basically in comparison to NDVI, it's showing us information on more detailed level when we're looking at the early stages. NDVI, we could see the difference that there is more red zones. That means that here a lot of open soil. And NDRE, so this is actually how it shows one and the same field at the same period of time. So early in season, mid-season, late season harvesting, and for tall crops.